Okay, I'm Ken Field, and this is Rick Styler. We're from Injection Technologies. We've been doing the two of us tryouts together for about 30 years. The last 20 years have been here at Injection Technologies, where we bought all brand new equipment. When we started, I bought the best of everything. The machines were all spec'd out to handle any mold at almost any time. We have expanded several times, and we go from a 130 ton all the way up to a 3,500 ton. You know, maybe like 80%, 85% of the jobs we try out are automotive, but we've tried out garbage pails, lawn furniture, chairs, anything that's been made in plastic. We've probably seen it at one time or another. Our bread and butter is doing mold tryouts, which in most machines we can do 2-3 a day. Might run only 20, 30, 50 shots out of these tools, and then they're taken out. But we also are open to doing longer runs, 300, 600 shot runs, which we can do on the weekends or later in the evening when we're done our tryouts.
We don't like downtime whatsoever. We can't afford to have downtime with our particular customer base. They fly in, they fly out. It has to occur during that period of time. So downtime is a very large purpose for buying these controllers. The replacement of these older cards is becoming tougher and tougher. We have them, but we're trying to get away from that. And if we are making upgrades, we want to make this best upgrade we can at this time. We felt that the Eurotherm and Barber Coleman controller was going to help us out with this, and we felt that they were going to be in the marketplace for a long time with this new controller, and we felt comfortable installing it on our presses. Positional control of the platens, the injection unit, and the knockouts is much more accurate. It's very repeatable shot to shot, which is critical for if we're trying to do a simulated production run, short period. They do like to see that repeatability. That's very critical to our production assessment of the tool. And we find with the new controller, it does give you that. That's never a question. With some of the upgrades to the mass memory of the machine as well, that can be also transferred to a USB chip now. Also, that information is transferred to our customer base, which we find most people are showing up here with laptops and they're doing this complete control process study at the tryout, that this is information that can be directly translated to them. It's a very easy transition from our older Command 90 controllers to the new Eurotherm controller. The operators are easily adapting to it. They do like the new color scheme. It's very plain, easy to understand. The graphics seem to help out quite a bit with the core pull, the injection, the position, all these sort of things. The color graphics seem to aid in the changes as well. And we're finding that our setup staff and our injection molders here are very quick to adapt to it. We went with this controller largely is because of Dave Hubbell's participation and our total faith in his abilities. So we've had a long-term relationship with him, and that's basically what determined the purchase of this controller. Is we knew we would have support long-term, and we knew that would be a very comfortable support and someone willing to work with us with all the possible changes and any future projects. We'd definitely like to have Dave Hubbell and Eurotherm involved in them.